Hello everyone, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to model a table like this in SketchUp. Even if you are a beginner, at the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to model projects like this in a short time. First of all, we need to get the dimensions of the table. We are going to use 1800 millimeters by 1 meter. This is the top surface of the table. From here we can determine where the legs of the table will come in. Let's give a setback of 300 millimeters. Copy this line and type in 300. Okay, and we have 300 at the other end. This will serve as a guideline so we know how to place the legs. We are going to use 100 millimeters for the thickness of the legs. Okay, for this other side, let's leave a space of 125 millimeters. The height of the table is 750 millimeters, so we still need to give a setback for the topmost surface. We'll have 625. To make it easier for us, we need to model a part of it, then make a copy and flip it to get the other part. This is the center. So we are going to work with this, then we can copy to the other side. Let's make a copy of this. Now we can delete the other part. So we have to sketch this shape right here. Let's get the first space at the bottom, 50. Highlight this line. Make a copy of 50 millimeters from this other line. Use the arc and make this edge. Let's get away with this. We've gotten the central point. Use the arc and make a sketch here. I think that's okay. And from here, so we need to delete this. And what we need to do is to copy this to the upper side. Select it, copy, so use the flip tool. Click on the blue reference and flip it. So we need to delete this other line here. We have the shape. So the next thing we are going to do is to remove some unwanted parts. Make a copy of this, 50 mm. We are going to trim out this part. Use the push pull and trim out this part also. Alright, we have that shape right here. We need to push this up a little bit. Use the push pull to make a projection of 5 millimeters here. Click here. Use the offset tool to create a base for the legs. So the next thing we are going to do is to group this. Select it and make a group. Make a copy of it. Use the flip tool to flip it. Now move it to align with this particular one. As simple as that. We are going to explode both of them. Select the both of them and explode. Here we can mesh the two of them together. Use the line tool and make a sketch to this part. We are going to do the same thing here. Now we are going to add the materials. Select the wood material of your choice. I'm going to use this. Need to highlight all of them and add the material. I will choose another material. This will go. Okay, we are done with it. Select it and make a group. Let's bring back this other one. So we need to copy this to the other side. Next thing we are going to do is to create the surface. Just make a copy of this. You need to delete it. Select this surface, click on offset and offset 75 mm. Now make a copy of this. So we have two layers now. One will go beneath while the other one will be at the top. So we need to delete this. It's not needed. Let me add material to it. Use the push pull and extrude 50 mm. Highlight it and make a group. If you have any question or contribution, you can drop it in the comment section. And please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. Choose this other column and apply to this other surface. Use the push pull and extrude 50 mm also. Highlight it and make a group. Now we are going to merge the two of them together. Now you can copy it and place at the top of this. Use the push pull and push to this other part. Here we have the table. As simple as that. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you have any question or contribution to make, kindly drop it in the comments section. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.